Madam Leah, whom I usually respect, demonstrated a very high sense of arrogance this afternoon. She talked like somebody who owes allegiance to an individual rather than the members of Jubilee.
All of us were believing that she came with a formed mind. And actually, as she started to talk, she started rapishing the work of the Secretariat here in Bomet, yet they have not been supportive to them. So the way forward, as has been concluded, is that the the county election board here in Bomet, we have mandated them, together with the chairman for the party in this county, to go see or meet the deputy president for a solution.
The real issue here is that the party has not come in with its machinery to make sure that this process is free and fair. And this is what the aspirants are demanding.
I think this, what we are really experiencing is the very big letdown from the National Elections Board. These aspirants are frustrated. There is so much tension. Our supporters are confused. So really, what I would want to say is, some people have even gone as far as saying, I'm the one who stopped the process yesterday. All these aspirants know very well that this was a unanimous decision by all of them that we cannot participate in a flawed, flawed process.
County officials are not given any finances. In fact, in one incident yesterday, we had the returning officer chasing after the truck that was ferrying materials on a motorbike, whereas he is supposed to be given means to travel around, that is a motorized means.